Ubuntu 22.04 is the upcoming major LTS release from Canonical. Ubuntu 2022 brings some major changes to the system, which include GNOME 42, horizontal workspaces, new wallpapers, new kernel, accent colors, a built-in screen recorder, and many other features. Hey, what's up everybody, this is KSK Ryle. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade to Ubuntu 22.04 LTS very easily. You can use this method to upgrade to Ubuntu 22.04 from 20.04 or 21.10. By the time of recording this video, Ubuntu 22.04 is in beta, which means it's not yet quite stable, and I don't recommend installing it on any production machines. But if you can't resist trying out the latest Ubuntu, then this video is made for you. Anyway, as you can see, I'm currently running Ubuntu 20.04 on my computer. If you are coming from 18.04, you must upgrade to 20.04 to install 22.04. First and foremost, before upgrading or installing Ubuntu 22.04, make sure to back up home directory anywhere just to be on the safer side. It's always recommended that if something goes wrong while upgrading, you will be able to retrieve the data. So please back up the important documents, pictures, and videos. Now once it's done, open App Drawer and search for a software updater. The Update Manager will fetch updates. When you see any updates, go ahead and install them. Now once it's done updating, just go ahead and restart the computer. After rebooting, once again open the software updater. This time the computer should say the system is up to date. Now click on the settings. Now this will take you to the update section. At the bottom of this section, set the Ubuntu version as long-term support. If you are coming from 20.04, then this option is enabled by default. But if in case you're coming from 21.10, you have to change any version to LTS and then finish the changes. It will tell the Ubuntu Software Manager that if any LTS release is available, then it shows a notification. Now as you can see, it still says the system is up to the date and not showing any updates regarding Ubuntu 22.04. This is expected. When the stable release rolls out, it will show the notification over here. Anyway, for now, let's just open the terminal and type this command. We are forcing the Update Manager with the -D option to look for any LTS releases which are not yet available to the public. In a few minutes, the computer will find the Ubuntu 22.04 update. Now keep in mind the -D option connects to the Ubuntu development branch, which is not recommended to install on any production machines. Anyway, in my case, this machine which I'm using is for testing purposes only, so I'm going to proceed to upgrade. Now sit back and relax. The process will take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. Now as you can see, it shows the things that are going to be upgraded. It will show more information about the upgrade, so please follow the on-screen instructions. Now once it's done, press the letter Y on your keyboard to reboot the system. And voila, now you can see the system is upgraded to Ubuntu 22.04 without any issues. Keep in mind, Ubuntu 22.04 is a long-term release. Upgrading from older versions will impact a bit on performance. My suggestion would be a clean installation. By doing so, you must back up all your important data. So stay tuned to my channel. I will be posting a lot of content in regards to Ubuntu. And that's pretty much it. This is how you upgrade to Ubuntu 22.04 LTS very easily. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up down there and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider hitting the bell icon to get notified for more videos. Thanks for watching. It's been KSKRL signing off.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best